Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, it's time for me to redecorate my grand cloche for the summer. Come on with me, guys. All right, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I knew it was time to go ahead and redecorate this because it was just sitting in a corner collecting dust, and it's too beautiful to do that. So we're going to go ahead and redecorate it and make it look beautiful. And I'm going to leave you to some music as I decorate this cloche, and I'll see you at the end. Now, I definitely knew that I couldn't leave my DIY cross out of this cloche. And then I have a little bird, which I purchased at Dollar General, and the little bird house, I think I purchased it there also. I don't know, but this looks beautiful. Add a little bit of moss and we are almost done. So it's not going to feel warm to me unless we light a candle. So let's go ahead and do that and head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? I love it. I hope that you guys do too. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.